What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Nate Matthews back again with another video. Trying to keep the videos a little bit more consistent, but if you're not subscribed to my other channel, you got to understand I got business going on my other channel. Make sure y'all subscribe to that one too. Follow me on Instagram. We're going to get to it though. So today, I actually shaved my head yesterday, so I really don't need to shave. However, I'm going to try to fade the beard in, line the beard up and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get it all knocked out. Today, I'm going to be using the Wahl Detail or LIs. If you guys want to see the unboxing and the comparison of these trimmers versus some other trimmers that I've been using, make sure you click the card that pops up. After that, we go into this right here. This is a brand new straight razor that was sent to me from one of y'all. So we're going to go ahead and give that a test too. And then I'm actually going to be making... I guess I can't tell y'all what I'm gonna make yet. Y'all just gonna have to watch. Subscribe to my other channel though. It has something to do with straight razors and stuff like that. And then we're also gonna be shaving the head with this bad boy right here. Again, this is the Hydro razor. I'm gonna be needing to get a replacement because I do think it is kind of wearing down just a little bit. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see the bumps on my head. It's not razor bumps or anything, or maybe it is, but it's actually not that many. Maybe it healed real quick, but I had a little bit of bumps on my head the other day, and I was thinking maybe that's because the blade is wearing out, but I guess not. I don't know. I guess I'll show you guys what I put on it on my head to make the bumps and stuff like that go away too. In addition to that, we're going to be using some shaving gel. So let's go ahead and get this done real quick. Ain't going to take long at all. Then we're going to get to the beard. Even though, again, I have not uploaded a video about grooming or anything like that in what, maybe like 4 months, at least 4 months. I've still been having the same routine, guys. Still been shaving my head every day, every 2 days, whatever it may be. Still line up my beard, you know. Beard's still good right now. It's looking crunchy. I was about to say crispy, but nah, it's looking a little crunchy right now because, you know, I didn't do nothing to the beard today, didn't put nothing in it. And I ain't even get in the shower yet, by the way, y'all. I was gonna get in the shower first and then make a video, but I kind of like, y'all gotta let me know if you guys feel the same way too though. I kind of like lining my beard up while it's dry because it really gets the lines in there a lot better when it's dry. When you put all this water and oils and stuff like that on there, it works really good when you get to the straight razor when you do that. But when I use the trimmers first, I prefer a dry shave. So that's why I haven't gotten in the shower just yet. But let's go ahead and do this real quick. Again, you guys aren't going to see too much. Let me step back real quick. Y'all ain't going to see too much because I did just shave it. But the reason, again, I'm doing it right now is because when I fade the beard in, I, you know, want it to be a smooth blend. I don't want to end up fading the beard and then try to use the razor and then mess up the fade right there at the line where it's supposed to blend in at. So we're gonna get to it, and it shouldn't be too much of a problem anyway, man. The more that you guys shave your head, the easier it's gonna be on the blade. It'll let the blade last a little bit longer, and the less irritation that you'll probably get on your head anyway. So again, making it real smooth. If you guys can see, the fade is actually kind of in there from last time. I don't remember the last time I did a fade. It wasn't too long ago, but y'all see it, man. And normally I am able to shave again without having to look. However, I know you guys want to see the back of my head to see if you might be able to see a difference. So if y'all been subscribed to me for a long time, y'all know about the pink mirror. That gotta be your sister's pink mirror to get the perfect fade, right? Man, that thing snapped on me, man. I still got it, but it cracked a little bit, so I went ahead and picked this up, right? So we're gonna go ahead and get this. And hopefully you guys can see the back of my head. Let me see, where's the camera at? And you probably ain't gonna see too much of a difference when I'm shaving, unless y'all watching the video in HD. Because I could feel it and I could kind of see it, but not too much. And with me already having basically a fresh shave, I think I'm going to do just one pass on this one. If you guys have been around for a long time, you know normally I do 2 passes every single time. But with this one, and with me just kind of shaving, I think I'll be good with just the 1 pass. And we got it. So just like that, now I'll go ahead and rinse off the razor. A little bit of hairs did come out of it. By the way, I'll show you guys up close what the razor is looking like. Probably ain't gonna be able to zoom in too much. Y'all see it? So again, if you guys are looking for the hydro razor, this is the one with the green tip. There's a blue one and a yellow one as well. At this point, I don't forgot the names of them or the the differences, but whatever. We got this going. Now we're going to throw some water on our head. Grab our towel right here, and we're just going to rub our head off with some warm water. It's going to help a little bit with any irritation that you possibly might have. And then of course we put oils and stuff like that on it too, but I am going to be saving that for after I'm completely done lining my beard up, so we can get it all in one shot. So make sure y'all stay tuned, watch to the end if you guys are new. And matter of fact, if you guys are new and want to see like my whole routine and everything I've basically tried with shaving and how I got my beard to be the way it is, and discussing going bald and just having a shaved head and how it's changed my life and all that, make sure you guys either click the cards that pop up or mainly, most importantly, just go to the channel and watch the videos, man. That's how this channel was started. But we are going to be trying a little bit extra things on this channel and some more flavor in it. But I don't want to leave all y'all groomers hanging, man. I know y'all already subscribed to watch me groom and shave my head and stuff like that, so I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. Up next, let's grab our pick. So we're still using the same old pick, right? If anybody wants to send me a wooden pick, contact me. Let me know what your business is or whatever, and if picks is what you really do, I'm gonna let you get one over to me, because I actually need one. I've been needing one, but I can't find none like locally. I see some online, but I don't know. But if y'all feel like sending me a wooden pick or something like that, holla at me. Or if there's a place that I can go that is like in like every city, every state, let me know. I'll see if I can go pick one up. But a few of the beauty supply stores that I went to, they don't sell wooden picks. It's only plastic ones. Dang, it's a little crunchy at the bottom. Not crunchy, but it does need a little bit of moisture. So I'm not gonna pick all the way through it, but we're gonna do just a little something. We ain't even trying to make the whole beard look nice at this point. I just trying to move the hair away from the edges so I can line up the edges and make it look real nice. So again, now we're going to the Wahl detailers right here, the lithium ion versions. Of course, these are the cordless version. If you guys again want to see the review, I did a whole video about them. Go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to be starting from the bottom. Don't want to touch the camera right now because it definitely is not on the tripod. It's just sitting on the counter. But I'll show you guys all the hair that I do have down here. We're going to go ahead and get that taken care of. Remove all this, and then we're going to jump to the sides next and stuff like that. So let's get it, man. As always, we're going to start up under that neck, form a line, and then we're going to go from the bottom, clean it up a little bit. And go all the way to the end. And do the same thing on the other side. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this one. I gotta look straight ahead in the mirror. There we go. And now we have a nice little line, a little bit of clean space. We'll start from the bottom, clean it up. Let's go. Don't forget the brush right here too. Make sure you clean the blade off after every couple swipes. Make sure you don't get the blade clogged up and all the hair is falling in here, and you don't want to jam your trimmers up. Want to make them last as long as possible. All right, now we're gonna go back and do it one more time. Just paying attention to anything we might have missed. Y'all hear it? It's still cutting in this area. Nothing. But you kind of hear it right there. So sometimes the hair will grow in a different pattern, so go against the grain of whatever pattern your hair grows in and make sure you get it all off. Y'all hear it still clipping? There we have it. And now we started off with the pick, but now we're gonna get the comb. Grab this real quick. Just gonna comb it out of the way, just so we can see where we're getting ready to cut next. Right here, y'all see all the extra growth that came around the side right here. We're gonna go ahead and get that, clean it up. All right, let's see how we're looking in the mirror. So we got that side going. Now, get the comb, do the same thing. Comb out the other side so we can see what we're doing, right? And that was easy. Wasn't really much to cut. Y'all might have to see it in the mirror. Y'all see it in the reflection? Yeah, it's looking real nice. Thumbs up the video if y'all still watching, by the way. The more y'all show love to these videos, the more I'm gonna keep them coming for you guys. I've been just taking a little break, as I mentioned before, but I still do this on the daily, y'all. Every other day, still shaving my head, still lining up my beard, or just stop recording it to do other things. But now, we're gonna come back. We're gonna get it going for y'all. At this point, normally what I would do is get the comb this down, line it up right here, do the same thing, and then save the mustache for last. But because I told you guys we're going to use this, and with these things being so good, you really don't even really need a straight edge razor when you're using these because they're so crispy. I want to make sure I do this for you guys. So for that reason, I'm just going to go straight to the mustache, doing the top and the bottom, and then we'll save all this part right here for the straight razor. So I'm just pushing it down, trying to get these hairs over my lip, and whatever goes over my lip, that's what we're cutting off. Don't want to put too much pressure on it though, because if you put too much pressure, as soon as you let your finger go, your beard might be way up in your nose, you know what I'm saying? Or your mustache might be way up in your nose. So don't push it too hard, but we do want to make sure we get a nice little line. Y'all see it? Again, going over my lip, we're going to cut that off. Just a light tap. Moving on. Same thing on the other side, all the way around, guys. There we go. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the top. For that, to do the top though, I need to step over here on the side. So again, I'll let y'all see what we're doing in the mirror. Alright guys, I think we're set. I think we're ready to move on to the straight razor now. Again, if you guys are not familiar with how to use a straight razor, I would not suggest that you guys use one at this point until you actually know how to use the regular clippers, because these are going to be a little bit more forgiving and these ain't really going to cut you to the point that you can start bleeding and stuff like that. So y'all got to do it in levels, guys. Don't just watch what I was gonna say a pro, but I don't know. There ain't no pro, right? I ain't no pro, but I've been doing this for a long time. So you don't want to just jump to doing exactly what somebody who's been doing it for a long time is doing. You want to start where you need to start, but you still do want to get some good quality clippers. So even if you are a beginner, you can still get these, but I wouldn't recommend a beginner unless you at least graduate from the trimmers before you get a straight razor. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out of the pack right here, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of oil. Matter of fact, nah, I told you guys that I wanted to do it dry, so we're not grabbing oil. We're just gonna go straight in with it. I'll have to do a proper video with this. Actually, I think I did an unboxing and a semi-review of this razor, but this one is a little bit different. It loads completely different. Instead of like these things separating and splitting it, putting the blade in there and snapping it closed, you just put the whole blade in the front, and then you're gonna kind of like tap it on the table or something to get it in there. So it is, again, a really long blade. And now we're gonna start on the side and get all these little hairs. We're gonna get them cleaned up.